Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a fun lesson. We are going to a clothing store.
Look at this old shirt. It is very old and very faded. I think I need some new clothes today. Aha! I have a great idea. I have my wallet. Let's go shopping and buy a brand new shirt together.
I am walking to the store right now. It is a beautiful day to go shopping for some new clothes.
Here we are! This is the clothing store. Are you ready to go inside and learn some English? Let's go! I am opening the door. When you go into a store, you can say, "Hello" to the staff inside. Wow, look at all these clothes! There are so many shirts on this clothes rack. Where do I even begin?
Let's look at this shirt. This shirt is red. Do I like the color red? Let me think about it. Color is very important. There are many colors: red, green, yellow, or blue. Which color is the best for me?
No, I do not want the red shirt. The color red is nice, but it is not my favorite color today. Excuse me, do you have this in a different color? I would like to see a different color, please. The staff gave me a green shirt. Green is okay, but I think I want something different than green.
Here is a yellow shirt. Yellow is very bright. I am not sure if yellow is the right color for me.
Yes! Here is a blue shirt. I love the color blue. This blue shirt looks absolutely perfect for me. I am very happy with this color. Blue is my favorite. Now that I have the color, what is next?
Next, we must check the size. Every shirt has a size tag on the inside of the collar. Let's look.
Oh no! This shirt is much too small. I cannot wear this shirt. It will not fit my body.
Excuse me, staff. Do you have a bigger size? This shirt is too small for me to wear.
This tag says S. S means small. A small shirt is for a small person. It is not for me. This tag says L. L means large. Wow! A large shirt is way too big. I am swimming in it.
This tag says M. M means medium. I think the medium size is just right for my body.
Always compare the sizes if you are not sure. Small is too tight and medium looks much better to wear.
I have made my choice. I will take the medium-size blue shirt. It is the perfect color and size.
But wait! Before I buy it, I need to try it on. Where can I put this shirt on? Excuse me, where is the fitting room? The fitting room is the place where you try on new clothes.
The staff said to follow the sign. The sign points to the right. Let's walk to the fitting room.
Here it is. This is the fitting room. You can go inside and close the curtain for privacy.
I am opening the curtain to the fitting room now. Let's go inside and try on this nice blue shirt.
I am inside the fitting room. I have my new blue shirt on a hanger. It is time to get dressed.
I am putting the shirt on. It feels very comfortable. I think the medium size was a great choice.
Now, I am looking in the mirror. Mirrors help you see how the clothes look on your body. Let's see.
I am adjusting the collar. It is important to make sure everything looks neat and tidy in the mirror. It looks fantastic. I love this shirt. It fits perfectly and the blue color makes me look very handsome.
I am finished in the fitting room. I will take the shirt off and put it back on the hanger.
I am walking to the front of the store now. I have my shirt in the basket. It is time to pay.
This is the cash register. The cashier stands here. This is where you give money to buy your clothes. First, you must ask the price. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? I would like to buy it, please.
It's $10.
Thank you.
The cashier says, I can check the price tag. The price tag shows how much money the shirt costs.
It is a good price. Now, how will I pay? I can pay with cash money, or I can use a card.
I am opening my wallet. I think I will use my credit card today. It is very fast and easy. Here is my credit card. I am giving it to the cashier to pay for my brand new blue shirt.
Tap the card on the machine. Beep, the machine says the payment is complete. I have bought the shirt.
The cashier gives me a receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper that proves I paid for the shirt. Thank you. The cashier put my new shirt inside a nice shopping bag. I am ready to go home.
Thank you for your help. Goodbye. It is polite to say goodbye to the store staff when you leave.
I am walking out the door. Shopping for clothes was very easy today. I am so happy with my choice. Hooray! I have a new shirt. I cannot wait to wear it tomorrow. Shopping is a very fun activity.
Let's review the English words we learned. We learned about color, like red or blue, and size, like small or medium.
We also learned fitting room, where you try on clothes. And we learned pay, giving money for the items. You did a great job today. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.